Corey and I are going to show you the best breakfast ever. I literally eat one of these every single day for the past year. So, would you rather have egg whites for breakfast or meringue?
Oh, definitely meringue. I don't know what you think this is. This is not amateur hour, girl.
That's right, we don't need egg whites. We need Boujee Eggwhite Pancakes that taste like meringue. So we are going to be whipping it in a blender today. What you need for this pancake is, of course, egg white. We need flavoring. We're going to be using my favorite extract, Mexican vanilla extract. There is no other, only this one. You can find it at Mexican specialty stores. Now, do you want to make the pancake chocolate or vanilla today?
Let's go chocolate.
Chocolate.
Let's
So
definitely go chocolate.
You're going to need some unsweetened Hershey's cocoa. Unsweetened because we aren't trying to add calories. And then, the secret ingredient is inulin. What is inulin?
I'll show you.
Inulin is an artichoke powder, and it's made from artichokes. And what it does is it adds fiber and only 10 calories. So it makes the pancake thicker and hold up without the fat in there from the egg yolk, and we want fiber to keep us full. Also, what you're gonna need is a leavener. A leavener helps baked goods rise, which is gonna be our baking soda. Only adding a smidge because it'll make it taste gross otherwise. And of course, light salt because we're trying to keep the sodium low. If you don't have cocoa or inulin powder, you're gonna want cornstarch. Cornstarch is another low-calorie thickener, only 30 calories a tablespoon.
Only 30 calories a tablespoon.
So let's get started. We're gonna start by pouring 1.5 cups of egg whites in here, right up to this line. Egg whites to the finger. Good. All right. Then we're gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So I would fill, this is a tablespoon, I would do like 1/3 of this in vanilla. It's, I know, it's my industrial size.
That's alright. Mama ain't raised no.
That's good right there. Ooh. Beautiful.
Bam!
All right.
All right.
Next, what we're gonna add is our chocolate, and we're gonna do a tablespoon, a half tablespoon. We're not trying to, more chocolate later.
I don't want to do this anymore. All right, here we go.
Chocolate powder is really bitter. That's why I said just a half, because if you do too much, it's gonna be too bitter. Okay, perfect. Next, we're gonna add the baking soda. So baking soda, we need like the littlest pinch. It's just to help the pancake rise. So this you can pour in your hand. Okay, so I'm literally taking like that much. If you do too much, it's gonna taste gross. All right, next we're gonna do that inulin powder. And this, we need a teaspoon, so you're gonna do 1/3 of the tablespoon side.
About a third?
Yeah.
Cool.
Beautiful. All right. And then we need 1/4 teaspoon of light salt, because sweet and salty go together like peanut butter and chocolate.
This one right here? You say what?
This one you could also pinch too. That's fine.
That good?
Yeah, that's good. Okay. Then we are gonna add a little bit of cornstarch just in case it's not thick enough. And since we already did a half tablespoon of cocoa powder and we did a teaspoon of inulin, we're only gonna do a half tablespoon of cornstarch because we don't need that much. Just like that. 15 calories for the thickness. All right, now we're gonna cap it, and my esteemed assistant is going to blend it. We'll probably start it here. Just flip that switch if it's on, hold the phone. On's important. So now that we have the pan preheating, my esteemed assistant is going to show you how to grease the pan with a little bit of a spritz, just a spritz of olive oil spray. Make sure you have your spatula ready as well. All right, now that it's nice and whipped, you want to pour it directly in a hot pan to keep the air bubbles in there. All right, Corey, we're just about ready to flip this pancake. Wait, Riley, have you seen Corey?
Hey, 5 more minutes. 5 minutes.
All right.
Gee.
So this is the step where you want to be patient, because if you try to flip it too fast, the egg white's just going to run off. But if you slide your spatula around and it's mostly cooked, you see, except for this little center part, that means it's ready to flip. So you're going to be quick about it. And after the flip, it's going to cook much faster because we cooked it most of the way through on the first half. So you're going to know it's done when you touch the center, and it will bounce back. Now when you press the center of the pancake, it is bouncing back, so we're going to call it good. So we have some low-calorie toppings today.
I'm gonna show y'all how I dress it up, but this is just me. This is just me. I'm a simple man, but I also have good taste. So we're gonna get a little bit of chocolate here, a little bit of that dark chocolate. All right, next I gotta have me some blueberries, some blue babies. I gotta have those. I'm gonna throw in a couple raspberries, strawberry, and some blackberries. All right, now, if there's any kids out there, I know y'all love marshmallows, so this is for y'all. That Saturday morning special, and then a little bit of this. Y'all have a great day.
Boujee.
Did we make that? Do we get to eat it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, hey, we gotta go. See y'all.